What's up, folks? Welcome back to Daily 5280. It's your boy Obi here. This is day 15,465,381 of the self-quarantine, stay-at-home, social distance. Yeah. In the garage, pretty much where she's been the entire time. Right now I'm just window shopping, really. Don't really go anywhere because there's nowhere to really go. This is about as much seat time that I've had in 3 weeks or so. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much what I do every other day. Just come out and sit in my car and smell it, because sometimes I forget what it smells like or what it feels like to grab a steering wheel. So anyway, moving right along. Update as to what's going on. I know that last video I told you that I was going to add a few things, or actually no, I didn't say that last video. That was a video that I shot last week that I decided not to upload because I kind of went on a bit of a rant, and I was a little frustrated because of the whole coronavirus thing and staying at home, and the daughter can't play on the playground. But anyway, moving right along, I'll show you a snippet of that. Let's go this way. I know, but we can't go on the slide, baby. I'm sorry. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break here. So, what I did, follow me here. Let's go. Hey, there's my neighbor. I sold him that car. I did go ahead and add that Boomba recirculating bypass valve. So here she is. This is the Boomba recirculating bypass valve. What that's going to do is going to hold boost a little better. I am definitely going to put that on. I have the other piece. I think the other piece is right here. Yep. This is the other piece to that, so that goes atop there. I've watched many a video on how to install it, so I am at some point, probably next video, I will definitely be doing a install on this part. Again, the Boomba recirculating bypass valve was a thing that I wanted to add. Another thing that I told you again in the video of the reveal of Riri, I told you what I had done to actually improve on some of the video quality of that. So here is the DJI Osmo. So it is a 3-axle gimbal camera. So that's going to help out with a lot of B-roll. It's going to help keep the shot steady so it's not jerking or bouncing around and things of that nature. So I really like that. That thing is kind of hard to get used to and use. I did buy it pre-owned from Adorama, which is an online place up in New York. I paid $160 for it, so it wasn't that bad. Typically those things run like $200 to $300. The only thing that I don't like about it so far is that I have to recalibrate it 3 or 4 times in order for it to actually stay level. I don't know if that was the reason why the person returned it. It's a little frustrating, but once I get it to calibrate, it is fantastic. The next thing that I added to my repertoire, and this is something I keep saying repertoire. The next thing I added to my arsenal, that's a better word, is this here. This is the DJI Mavic Mini 2. It is of course a drone. I am definitely going to get into some more drone shots. It's something that I've always wanted to get into. This one actually set me back a little. I'm not going to say how much, but it set me back a pretty penny. But it was something that, again, I'm serious about giving you guys great quality video. So I felt that this would be a good addition. I actually want to give you some of the drone shots. So take a look at this and tell me what you think.
it's about to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it starts. Being with you, it feels right. You said we could meet it when it starts. Yeah, I'm really being honest. I want this to last. Said you wanted honest. I'm giving you my hand. I'm dropping you texts now.
Pretty dope, huh? Pretty dope. So that's what's been going on. I'm going to try to keep you guys up to date, keep content coming to you. Give me a thumbs up, smash it hard, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And I'll see you next video.